How to permanently fix a drywall ceiling crack.
First, I'm going to measure out how long this crack is, which is about 15 inches. Cut the furring strip.
Trace it.
Then I'm going to take a keyhole saw and just cut it out. You want to go kind of shallow when you're cutting. You don't want to use all the blades because you never know what's above the ceiling. There could be a wire. There shouldn't be something sitting on the ceiling, but you never know. I'm just going to slide it in. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a screw right in the middle of it. That helps me hold it while I'm screwing the other pieces around the crack to that furring strip. Otherwise, that's just going to lift. It helps to have that screw in the middle, and then we'll remove it once we get these 4 screws in. I'm going on each side of the crack. Now I'm going to put the piece I cut out right back in so it's a perfect cut.
And you don't even need a new piece of drywall. Just screw in 4 screws and boom.
I'm going to scrape back the popcorn a little bit. I'm going to put the fiberglass mesh tape over the crack. I'm going to make sure it's stuck really good and really flat just by running my hand over it. Then I'm just going to tape off these 2 little areas where I did the cutout, and it'll be ready for the mud work. When you use fiberglass mesh tape, you always want to use a setting type compound, which is a powder form that you mix to a joint compound. Very important, or it's not going to have a good result.